everyone, welcome to Life with Makajeni. I am Uma Kajeni. On this channel, we are unpacking all the trending topics, and today's topic is about the Kwekwe case. Guys, we know that it has been trending that the Kwekwe case has been dropped, and NPA says they didn't find any evidence that is saying Kwekwe was raped. We all know that. So it has been trending, and the people they demanded answers from Umama Kwekwe, since she's the one who came with the thing that Kwekwe has been raped, of which I believe her because she had no reason to lie, guys. I did post a video of another TikTok explaining that Mama Kwekwe owed the school fees. So maybe yindlela yakhe to get back to principal, which doesn't make sense. And Mina, my question is, if principal didn't have anything wrong, or if principal is not racist, why angavelanga hambisa those samples wa test like everyone who tested, then ama results obvious bazophuma athi he didn't do it. But guys, asikho lapho. Remember, this thing a principal is not confirmed, and no one said principal. We are all thinking it's allegations because principal is one of the people who were asked to submit the samples, but he refused to. According to Mama Kwekwe, this is the statement that we get from Mama Kwekwe. So Mama Kwekwe was on a TikTok live with Piwe, guys, and she did say that no, NPA, they didn't receive any message from any NPA or any source of communication, whether email, call, anything, that they are telling them that the case is already closed. And about the case, it was closed long time ago, last year December or last year November. Umama Kwekwe is bringing this matter on social media because the case was already closed. The other TikTok at this state that I asked why Mama Kwekwe didn't tell the truth, but I don't think Mama Kwekwe case is an ongoing case when it was a case that is it's closed. And at that time, Mama Kwekwe why banga the case is already closed. I don't know, guys, but guys, I'll put the clip Mama Kwekwe explaining, you know what, guys, I didn't hear anything, I didn't receive anything from the NPA, but we all know, guys, this is not the first person who NPA has failed. We have the Omotoso case. We have a lot of cases, guys. The Omotoso case, we have abantu who are more than 19. Abacame to this guy, and remember, Omotoso has a lot of more than 10 guys into cases. But again, not even A1. So we don't know. There's no enough evidence. Guys, we are not working a court. We are not working as a judge. We don't know what really is a strong evidence. Because at this point, I feel as if like everything is not it's not enough evidence. You can bring photos, you can bring everything. Everything is not a strong evidence. But so please do watch the clip. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button.
I swear to God, asiyazi. Neyokuba, because it's a statement. Yabana lesi statement lapha NPA esisho ukuthi i-evidence lokuthi nokudlwengulwa nokuba ikhuluma ingane nani asinankinga ngendlela abayibeke ngayo mzala. I will make you an example wena mzala ne. If you come to me ungitshela ukuthi mzala nginekhanda ne ingathi ayizowenza sense le example yami. I-NPA ireceiveile masivele sisho kanjalo, ireceive into eyinikiwe mzala. Ithi bingafika ithi mhlambe ithi akho kwanto endinikiwe bese ikholelwa vele because iya receive mzala. You understand? Asithi kutheni mzala, but thina as the family thina sisa receive i-text mzala esilindele lapho kuba once ithatha i-decision sizawutshelwa as i-family.
Askisi mzala, before udlula mhlambe uDube ufuna ubuza i-question esaselapha before yaphambili. Dube.
Yes. Linjani ma?
Right njani?
Ngiyaphila. Are you working with a lawyer?
Yeah.
You are. So ngoba this thing, I think it's not only I think to make it seem like it was just social media would be misleading. It was in the news. Ukuba the NPA has decided to drop the thing.
Okay.
Did you contact your lawyer since you are saying you didn't know about it and you were not informed?
I did.
To say to your lawyers, this is what is in the news, kwenzakalani, how do we get clarity on this?
I did that. Sisazama to get into that. Siphez kwayo mhlekazi. Siphez kwayo. But I'm not saying imedia iyaxoka ne andifuna ukuba kusasa bathi abantu ndiphikisa izinto ezithethwa ngabo. I'm not saying media, I'm not saying social media, but Tina asiyazi mntase. Like asiyazi. I don't want to lie, asiyazi. And Tina, as basically because people have been texting me, uzizwa njani, right? I'm like, guys, mna nje right, because I'm at a stage whereby indeed, oh, nkosi yami, NPA, I want izophuma neziphumo ezithini. Because lento bekudala siyifuna mzala, if uyakhumbula sixoxa ngithi zange wenze u-A, B, C and D. Remember xa ndikucacisela mzala ngitshela ukuthi idocket last year yahamba ne-information engaka, and mabesithetha idocket bise almost the 5th investigating officer ubuyakhumbula sixoxe ukuthi okay kuya-investigatewa still bayaqhubeka with the investigation. Of which lento besiyifuna mzala ukuthi abantu bebenga-interviewanga intontontontonton mazenzeke zezinto ezenzekileyo. That is why idocket ihambe yaya ku-senior prosecutor, and that's now why it becomes an issue now ukuthi ayidroshiwe. Thina guys as a family thina sihleli sisithi silindile imiphumela ingaphuma nakusasa. They'll correct me if nam ndi-wrong because thina zange si-inform for
ngicela ukubuza mzala iloya yakho mombonisa le nto bayipostile utheni kuwe yena?
Siphezu kwayo mzala mandivele
ongangeni deep ne?
Yes, isaphezu mandingangeni deep mzala, siphezu kwayo mzala wami, ndiqedile lapho siphezu kwayo mntasi.
Do you have, before I move on, do you have anything?
No, if she's saying uloya usesepezgwayo, then maybe she can move on. My question was, I don't know if she will be at liberty to answer Uguba, who would the prosecution be prosecuting? Because gumele gunenywe, someone has to be named as the person who did this thing. So who is it that is going to be named? Uguba, you did this to the child, thus you have to answer for this. So who would they be prosecuting?
So i-question yakho ukuthi at this moment ubani isandla esikhomba kuye ukuthi nangu umuntu ongathi wenze lento?
Yes, who they would have to be prosecuting. Ngoba bona mabeti were dropping it. They are maybe not seeing someone that they should be pointing to. So if they are to carry on, who would they be pointing to? Would all right as the sikhomba wena piwe woza ulecala la. I don't know if that makes sense.
No, ndiyakuva baba uDube ngiyakuzwa, but cela ungayiphenduli mntasi, because leyo it lies with the investigating office ukuthi yona ithe mayiphanda yabona ukuthi ikhomba kubani.
Okay.
You understand? Yeah.
But there is someone like ikhomba khona.
Because zange ngake ngatshelwa amapolisi ukuthi hayi sibisazilona, andizokwazi ezinye izinto ukuziphendula lapho kuDube, ulifaka phansi kwebhasi futhi.
Okay.
That is why ngimlandile lo bhuti uza nayo kahle bengise live yakhe ekseni yabona, so abantu bebanama views a different. Mzala kwenzakalani kahle kule case?
Ngoma yathi kwenzakala angazi. Emzala wishiwe angazi, like andazi mntase, like thina sikhona, thina sifuna impendulo ukuba kwenzakaleni. Jonga mzala ne, even if bangathi bona xa bebefumana mhlambe idocket ne bathi ibingekho information sufficient, but still odokotela ngithi bebekhona ndithi, like for instance the first one esiconsulte naye wasinikeza note, because mina ngiyiphethe nkosi yami note inayo sexual assault yayikho. Bazothini because kalobe kusuppose baba approachile, ndicinga njalo
mzala. Ngicela ukubuza umntana mabamchecka first time ama doctor baye babhala ukuthi umntana bam assault i-sexual assault?
mzala iphepha likhona mzala wami, likhona mzala, libhaliwe nje nkosi yami, mina ngavele nje ndanalo iphepha likhona mzala, futhi likhona nakwidocket original. So iphepha likhona mzala, leyo into